Hey everyone, so G.SKILL sent out this 64GB Trident Z5 RGB memory kit for me to try out on my gaming PC. The great thing about this memory kit is it's rated to run at 6000 megahertz. So that's gonna be great for gaming. So join me as I install this memory kit on my gaming PC, and then I'll go ahead and turn on the gaming PC and you guys will see exactly how good the RGB looks on this memory kit. So let's get right into it. All right, so here's a Trident Z5 RGB memory that I'm gonna be installing on my gaming PC, which runs an RTX 4090 GPU and an Intel Core i9 processor. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these memory sticks in and we'll see how it looks. All right, now that the Trident Z5 RGB memory is in, I'm gonna go ahead and power the computer on. And there we see the RGB on the memory. It looks amazing. It really fits in with my gaming PC's lighting. So you can see it's nice and bright. It's cycling through the different colors. I really think that G.SKILL memory is some of the best looking RGB memory out there. As you can see right here, it just looks amazing. It's nice and bright, vibrant colors, and it really makes my gaming PC stand out. So now we're gonna take a look at the performance of the Trident Z5 RGB 64GB memory kit to make sure we get that 6000 megahertz XMP rate that it's rated for. All right, so we're inside the BIOS of my gaming PC, and right here we see that we have a total memory of 64GB of DDR5 memory. That's amazing. So right now it's set to the default of 4800 megahertz. And what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna go ahead and enable the XMP profile in order to get that full 6000 megahertz frequency rate that this memory is rated at. So I'm gonna change it from disabled to enabled. And here we see that my ASUS motherboard picked up the DDR5 6000 megahertz XMP profile for this memory. So now all you need to do is save and exit and hit OK. And then we're gonna go right back into our BIOS. Or right after your computer reboots, you wanna hop back onto the BIOS and verify the memory frequency. And as we see here, it's 6000 megahertz, which is as advertised. So it's gonna be running that memory as fast as possible. All right, so not only does the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB memory kit look great on my gaming PC, it also performed great. The 64GB 6000 megahertz kit ran at the rated speed of 6000 megahertz on my ASUS gaming motherboard. Worked perfectly. I definitely noticed a difference with the 64GB of RAM. I'm able to not only play my games, but also do some video encoding, as well as multitask and do several things on my two monitors. So yeah, if you guys are looking for RGB memory for your gaming PC that not only looks great, but performs great, definitely take a look at the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB. I'm definitely happy with this memory, looks and performs great.